In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Facebook account. It's actually pretty simple. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. There are actually two ways to reactivate your Facebook account. First method, via Instagram. Open your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom, then tap on the three lines at the top right, tap on Account Center. Next, tap on Profiles. Here, it will indicate that your Facebook account is deactivated. Just tap on it. Now tap Reactivate at the bottom to reactivate your Facebook account. Once done, it will show that your account is reactivated. Second method, via Facebook application. Open the Facebook application, log in with your email and password, and that is it. That is how you reactivate your Facebook account in two ways. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next video.